Thanks so much, Kelly. That's right. I'm here with Michael Rapino. Michael, we were talking about what you are seeing in terms of the health of consumer spending. You have a global view of what's going on right now in terms of ticket sales. Are you seeing recessionary trends?
We're not. We've had such pent-up demand, both in Europe, America, Australia. We're headed for a record year right now. As of this weekend, I checked all our latest data. People are showing up, 90% rates. Our ticket sales are double digits over 2019. And the one factor we like to see is what are they spending on site? And those are up 25% since 2019, which was a record year.
And that's spending on tickets or spending on all the ancillary stuff?
Ancillaries, when they're there, having a beer, having a hot dog. Do you see any pullback in that? We haven't yet. We're seeing record levels when they're coming there to have fun and drink and enjoy the night.
So we are hearing a lot about ticket prices being on the rise. Obviously, we talk a lot about inflation, about gas prices being high. Can consumers absorb these higher prices for tickets if they're paying so much for everything else?
Yeah, I mean, there's always the top-end ticket that gets the press, but a ticket and a concert ticket is still really affordable. Average ticket price is $35. You can't have a dinner for that. You certainly can't go to a Laker game. So of all entertainment options, it's affordable. Now, ticket prices at the top end have gone up, but that's to make sure that the artist starts to participate in some of that pricing dynamic versus the secondary market. You look today, the market is still hot on the secondary business, which would indicate pricing still is below market. But we still believe that the artist should gather more of the upfront costs. But we also think making it affordable is right.
So it seems like there's been a lot of pent-up demand, a lot of concerts that were delayed until this year, and a lot of pent-up demand from consumers. But once you work through that and digest all that pent-up demand, do you think that concert going is going to continue at pre-COVID levels, or do you think it'll drop down below that?
Yeah, we're looking at 2023 right now with about 85 tours booked. That would put us on another record year. So we think that, overall, historically, concerts are an 8 to 9% growth business. We think that's going to continue. So we don't think there's an air pocket. We think we're going to be back to a continual growth business as we have for the last 30 years.
Well, certainly a lot of optimism here. I'm sorry we're going to have to leave it there. I know you just renewed your contract for 5 years, so we hope you'll come back and talk to us more maybe after earnings. Michael Rapino, thank you so much for joining us. Kelly, back over to you.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.